Yo, what's up, man? What's up? Hope you are doing good. Today's Tuesday afternoon. Let me first of all say this. So I took this trade over here, and I ended up losing because of where to get my stop loss at. First of all, let me explain to you why. So after this first rejection, then the market went down, came up again, and started doing this. I really thought that this first fair value gap was going to hold, but it didn't. So there was this other fair value gap. Let me show you first of all why. I identified my bias to be bullish. First of all, there was this 1 minute fair value gap. After this, and remember in my other videos, I had said that my bias will be bullish, and so yeah, that's just one of the reasons. But the other reason is that this fair value gap over here, it held the price. Look at the bodies, and there was a week on the 5 minute time frame that I really measured, and the bodies really obeyed each encroachment at that point. And despite of that, there was this Wednesday daily opening up. Look at the bodies. Look at the bodies, bro. So after it took off, I was looking at this. I was looking at both of the fair value gaps, but I really thought that this first fair value gap was going to hold, but I was wrong. I didn't do this. I didn't measure from from what from this point to that point and get the 50% mark of that, which was below, and I would have aimed for this fair value gap, but that's just not the point. I was stopped out here, but look at the bias. It still went up. It still went up. Look at buy side liquidity at this point. Look at buy side liquidity at this point. So at the end of the day, the bias was correct. It was just the timing and the placement of the stop loss. So I'm not really mad at that because I'd seen it. Yeah. So anyways, and I was aiming for this 15 minutes fair value gap at this point, the consequent encroachment of that point. And look at came went up a little bit. That's just not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you all a trade I took yesterday. A trade I took yesterday. Let's go a little bit back. And this is the trade. This is the trade. Okay, this trade I took it on Monday. I was really aiming for this buy side liquidity at this point, but the market went up and up. This some buy side liquidity that was swept. And market, this is a fair value gap. Look at these highs that were taken out. The market came in and filled this. There was an order block at this point, so it reverted. And I was looking at this. Let me show you some. This was the PM session. I was looking at the PM session, the PM session, the PM session, the PM session, and I don't even know how to remember. But look at this. There's this order block at this point. I believe that there was a 5 minute fair value gap at this point. I don't really want to switch because anyway, let's just switch and see. Yeah, there was this 5 minute fair value gap at this point, and I was looking at it. So that's why I drew it out and then went down to the 1 minute time frame. I'll be trading on this 1 minute time frame. So let me show you some. Is this the trade? When was this? Yeah, this is the trade. Yeah, this is the trade. Regardless of that, I want you to see this order block over here. And let's measure it out and see. I want you to see that order block. Apparently it's swept it, but let's extend it down a little bit. Regardless of there being a fair value gap, there was also a 1 minute order block at that point. And the market couldn't even get down the 25% mark of that point. So The moment I saw this, I was anticipating some move to the upside, and there was one. Look at the way the market went up from that and took out this. So there was a volume imbalance at this point, and it came down, tapped into that, and this was my entry. So you'll see in the video, I was looking at this. There's a fair value gap that I was looking at, and I was aiming for it to take out these highs over here. I don't know why. Is it at that highs though? Yeah, this high over here, and there was this volume imbalance over here which I had marked out, and the market came up, tapped into this fair value gap. I took out partials at that point. Then I ended up moving my stop loss from here to break even. So when the market came down, it took me out. But look, bro, look at the way it went up still. I wanted to add more partials at this point, but I was a little bit scared. I ain't gonna lie. I was scared about how the market was going to react off that. So I ended up not adding partials at that point. But the market played out in a very awesome way. I ain't gonna lie to you. And I ended up, this was a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. But look at the 930 trade, bro. Look at this trade. This trade would have been a very good trade, bro. If it, I wanted it to take the buy side liquidity at this point. I don't even, I don't, I want to see, I want to see the market take it out at this point still. This is a trade I was taking right now, and then I ended up making the money I lost. I didn't record it though because it was an abrupt trade which came out before I even opened OBS. I didn't record it, but I did it. And let me explain to you this trade too. But I will show you there's a trade on. Yeah, I will show you. But look at this. I was anticipating the market to be in a bullish movement, right? So there was this at this point. The market came in, tapped into that, and didn't even reach below the consequent encroachment of that point. And after seeing this, I ended up entering on the other candle, and I was targeting this low, this high, sorry, and maybe 30 ticks just off that. And I ended up targeting on 3.4 risk to reward ratio, and it played out well, bro. So yeah, I'm just thankful. Yep. I'll catch you tomorrow. See how this trade went. Yeah, just see how it went.